For this project, I'm using a piece of white net fabric. This is perfect for V necklines, but you can also use it on sleeves, bodices, or anywhere you want to add a decorative touch. I've also got my trusty embroidery hoop to keep everything nice and stable while I stitch. And of course, we'll need some embroidery floss. I'm starting with white to match the net, but we'll switch things up later. I'll show you each step in detail, so don't worry if it looks a bit complicated at first. Just take your time, follow along, and you'll be amazed at how quickly this beautiful pattern comes together. It's basically a series of connected loops and stitches that create a beautiful open work design. Switching threads is super easy. Just tie off your old thread at the back and start a new one. Now let's add a little bit of color. I'm going to switch to a beige thread to create some contrast and visual interest. This lace pattern looks beautiful from both sides, so you can choose whichever side you prefer to showcase on your garment. It adds a touch of luxury and sophistication to any garment. Plus, it's a great way to use up leftover bits of fabric and thread. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to try embroidery bridging. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if it takes a little time to get the hang of it. And most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching and happy stitching.